Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. And now we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can click at the right top. Right here we have 3 dots. If you have Android, you will have 4 dots. So tap this icon and go to device settings. Then device information and click at the version, the fourth line. And right here we have software version. The second option is to return to the main menu and then scroll down and click update. And right here you can check your current version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.